We divide 554 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 11 is 55. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 4 and 5 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 4. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 40 and 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting we get 0. So 554 divided by 5 is 110 decimal 8. So this much for today and thanks for watching.